Greetings to all. Tyagi Public School calls upon seekers and thinkers, innovative minds resolved to give scientific solutions. We present this compilation of science activities performed by the students of Tyagi Public School from the confines of their homes. Our proud contributors Hardik Seni from 9th A, Prateek from 8th C, Ipshita from 10th A, Akshita Jindal from 10th A, Bhumi from 8th C, Pradeep from 10th A, Siddharth from 8th C, Anuj Kumar from 11th A, Pratham from 10th A, and Cheshta Chawla from 9th B. One thing that is everywhere. Guess what? It's inertia. How a coin slips into the tumbler when the cardboard under it is suddenly pushed away. Demonstrated by Hardik Seni of 9th A.
Good morning to my respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I Hardik Sani am going to demonstrate an activity based on the law of inertia. So first, let's understand what is inertia. Basically, inertia is the tendency of an undisturbed object to stay at rest or keep moving with the same velocity. So there are many day-to-day activities in which this law acts. So today we are going to understand the reason behind it with the help of this very simple activity. So let's start. This activity needs a very small setup which includes of three things: a card, a steel glass and a coin. And you need to arrange them like this. So now look carefully. When I will strike the card to push it forward like this, the card will go away. It will move forward and the coin will fall into the glass.
Water doesn't spill out of an inverted tumbler. This magical concept of atmospheric pressure is demonstrated by Prateek of 8C.
Morning, myself Prateek of class 8C. Today I am going to perform an activity on atmospheric pressure. Towards this I have a thick paper and a glass tumbler filled with water and some empty portion on the top. First of all, I will get the thick paper and I will put it on the glass tumbler and press them very gently. Now I will get the glass tumbler upside down and press it gently with the thick paper. Now I will slowly remove my hand from the thick paper. Now as we can see, the thick paper and the glass tumbler was not removed from each other because of the huge atmospheric pressure around us. Hence, we can conclude the existence of enormous atmospheric pressure around us. Friends, we do not feel this enormous atmospheric pressure because of the blood pressure in our same bodies. Thank you.
Ever wondered why do we see twinkling stars? It's our own atmosphere that causes this visual effect, demonstrated by Ipshita of 10th A.
Hello everyone, I am Ipshita Sethi of class 10th A and today I am going to tell you something interesting about twinkling of stars. We have all heard the rhyme Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. But do the stars really twinkle? Actually, they don't. They appear us to be twinkling because of our atmosphere. Let us understand this by performing an activity. So for this activity, I am here having a piece of foil paper in which I am doing some holes with the help of pen, and it is going to act as our star where I will place the torchlight behind it and pass the light through it. And here I am having a ball full of water and it is going to act as atmosphere. For this activity, I will place the foil paper behind the ball and will pass the torchlight through it. And I will be moving this ball slightly as our atmosphere is not constant, it keeps on moving, and for observing the effect, we need to switch off the light. From the other side, we can observe that stars are not twinkling, or simply the light which is coming behind this foil is not twinkling. But now I will start moving slightly this ball and now the light seems twinkling to us. Let's switch on the light again and understand the science behind it. The thing we have just observed was due to the phenomena called atmospheric refraction. Refraction is the bending of light when it travels from one transparent medium to another. When the refraction of light is due to atmosphere, it is simply called atmospheric refraction. Star is a point-side source of light when it enters into our atmosphere, which is consist of several layers having different density, temperature, various proportion of gases, many dust particles. It gets refracted and the light from the star goes on varying slightly. Therefore, the apparent position of the star fluctuates and the amount of starlight entering into our light flickers. That is why stars appear as twinkling. Thank you.
Do you know why vegetable stains turn red on applying soap? Acid-base reactions with indicators demonstrated by Bhumi of 8C and Akshara Jindal of 10th A.
This is lemon as an acid. This is washing powder as an base. And this is turmeric as an indicator. This is a glass of water. Now I am adding washing powder to the water and mix it well. Now I am adding turmeric to the water and mix it well. Now I am adding washing powder solution to the turmeric solution and it will change the color, that is red. If I take lemon into the basic solution, it turns back. That means it is neutralized, because base was neutralized with the impact of acid. If I add more washing powder to it, then it will be basic.
A homemade board, an ideal example of best from waste, isn't it? Electrical energy to mechanical energy, demonstrated by Pradeep of 10th A.
I am Pradeep from class 10th A and I am here to show my activity on an electric board. So here is my electric board. This board is fully automatic and this is also eco-friendly because it works on electricity and it is the best out of waste. So I am going to show how this. So I am going to tell how I made this board. First I cut the thermocol in the perfect shape and then paste it. I use a switch, a 9-volt battery, a connector and some wires, a motor and a fan. So I'm now going to show how this board works. So here's a tub in which I will give an example of this board. First I on the fan and put it in the. So how this board works. This board only needs a battery to work. So this is my activity. Thank you.
See how the fire extinguishes as the temperature falls below the ignition temperature, demonstrated by Siddharth of 8C.
Morning everybody, my name is Siddharth Kaur and I am from class 8C and I am here to show science experiments. First of all, things needed: a foil paper, a candle and a matchstick. Our matchbox, an aluminium foil and our candle. And we already did a hole in the center of the aluminium foil so we can easily place it on the top of the candle. So first we take our aluminium foil and place it on the top of the candle. So as you can see, the candle flame get extinguished after some time because the aluminium foil take away the heat and the temperature below the candle ignition temperature. Thank you very much.
What do we add to water to make it a good conductor? Concept of electrolysis demonstrated by Anuj Kumar of 11th A.
Good morning everyone. Today I am Anuj Kumar going to perform an activity. In this activity I'll show how does a demonstration of electrolysis works in water. To perform this activity the material required is a glass full of water, a spoon, a salt, a cardboard with 2 holes, 2 sharp pencils from both sides, a 9-volt battery and a battery connector. Step 1. We want to put 1 tablespoon of salt in this water. As we know, a water is a bad conductor of electricity. To make it a good conductor, we want to put some salt in it. Step 2. Then put both the pencils in this cardboard and put in the water. Step 3. Attach this battery connector with the battery. Attach the both wires with the pencil. One pencil act as a anode and other will act as a cathode. Here you can see the reaction in the glass. The bubble starts occurring from the pencil because a graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Here you can see the reaction occurring in the glass. The bubble starts occurring from the water. In this activity we see that how does hydrogen are going to separate it from oxygen in this water with the help of electrolysis. So thank you.
A homemade torch, another example of best from waste. Let's see. Electrical energy to light energy demonstrated by Pratham of 10th A.
Good morning everyone, I am Pratham and I am here to represent my homemade torch. This torch can be called the best out of waste. This torch consumes only half an hour to have its formation and needs very less money but works like a real and expensive torch. I have used a 9-volt battery connector, switch, some wires, a bottle, bulb and a foil wrap. You are thinking that why I am using this foil wrap, but this foil wrap is important to give a better focus of light on any object or anywhere. As you can see, if I switch on this torch, it gives a better view of light. This how this works. That's all about this torch. Thank you.
Tyndall effect, scattering of a beam of light. See what happens to a beam of light when it is directed at a glass of milk. Demonstration done by Cheshtha of 9th B.
Good morning to respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Cheshtha of class 9th B going to perform an activity on Tyndall effect. As we all know, Tyndall effect is a scatter of light in a particle in a very fine suspension. The amount of scattering is depend on the frequency of light and density of particle. So let's see this by performing an activity. For performing an activity, I have taken milk, water and torch. Firstly, we will add milk into the glass of water. Then we will off the lights. Now we can see that the ray of torch is scattering through the glass. This was all about my activity on Tyndall effect. Thank you for giving me your precious time. Have a nice day.
We appreciate the active support of all the parents and the teachers of science department in keeping alive the little scientist in each one of us. I hope you all enjoyed this session. Editing, graphics and compilation by Mohammad Rihan and voiceover by Pragya of class 11th A.